So now that we have had a basic introduction to variables, I want to create a very small application to show you the use of variables and give you an introduction to event listeners and functions as well. So let me just demonstrate what this program can do real quick. You have a number, and if you click on blue, for example, it will increase in number and red will decrease in number, and that's about it. So we will be creating this from scratch, so let's just close this and delete these. So for this project we will need two buttons, as you just saw, and one dynamic text field. So let's just create that real quick. We need a text field about this big. Make sure it's dynamic and give it a name of score_txt, and make it a little big on size and maybe black of color. You can do a different style if you'd like, but make sure it's similar to mine. And we will also need two buttons, so if you go to Window, Common Libraries, Buttons, and if you browse in here, there are really many types of buttons in here. You can select something you like. Let's see, what shall we select? I don't like that one. Nope. Those are pretty ugly buttons. Are they getting uglier? Sorry Adobe, no offense. Maybe I should go up. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna select a random one. How about this one? Yeah, well, whatever. Let's just get this blue one. And do you have a red one? Yes, thank you. And close that. You can select any button you want as long as it's a button. And let's just position these a little like this. So I'm not going to change the text of the buttons because it really has no use for this purpose. We only need to give these instance names, so let's call the blue one blue_btn and the red one red_btn. So we have the stage set up for our application, so now we can go into our action script and start coding. So click the Actionscript class you have opened already. I assume you have it open, or else you can go to the properties panel and click this icon right here and it will open up. As you can see, I have the code written already for my example application. I'm going to delete it and start from scratch. So to interact with buttons, you're going to need listen for clicks, and the way you listen for clicks, you have to specify the name of the buttons, which we have already given. This one is called blue_btn and this one is called red_btn. You can see right here. So in our action script